everybody, and welcome to my channel. So I have a couple of unboxings to do today. So I'm going to start off with this box. It did get a little damaged, so I'm hoping the product inside isn't damaged. So I'm just going to unbox it. And this did come off of eBay. The seller was Auto Services. So, and just gonna unbox this. Oh, these are the headphones for our car. They're the little headphones. I'm not going to take them out. This, and then we have the batteries. So that is all for that unboxing. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. Bye, guys.